about it. Now we will take the weight. What's the meaning of the weight? The weight that means it is the force by which a body is attracted to the earth, or it is the gravitational force by which a body is attracted to the earth. What is the measuring unit of? What the measuring unit of the weight is called Newton. Newton is the measuring unit of the weight. Newton is almost equal to the weight of an object whose mass equal 100 grams. We can measure weight by using spring scale. We measure the weight by using spring scale. What is the factor affecting on the weight? There are three factors affecting on the weight. Number one, the object's mass. Number two, the planet or the place where the object exists. Number three, the distance between the object and the center of the planet. Number one, the object mass. As the object mass increases, its weight also increases. And the rule, weight equal mass by 10. Weight, its unit Newton, mass, its weight kilogram, and 10 is the Earth's gravity. So, weight is equal to mass by 10. As example, if the object mass equals 300 kilogram on the Earth, calculate the mass on the Moon and the weight on the Earth. We know that the mass is constant. Mass on the Earth equal to mass on the Moon, so the mass equals 30 kilogram on the Earth and also on the Moon. But the weight equal mass by 10, so it's 30 by 10 equals 300, and the unit is Newton because we take the weight. Second, the planet where the object exists. By increasing the mass of any planet, the gravitational force also increases and the weight increases. So here give reason. The weight of the object on the Moon surface is smaller than the weight on the same object on the Earth. Why? Because the mass of the Moon is smaller than the mass of the Earth, so the gravitational force on the Moon is smaller than the gravitational force on the Earth. What's happen if there is no gravity on the Earth's surface? So there isn't any weight. Any object didn't have or don't have weight. An object weight on the Moon surface equal 1/6 its weight on the Earth, or its weight equal on the Earth is divided 6. Why? Because the mass of the Earth equals 6 times the mass of the Moon. Example, if an object mass equals 30 kilogram on the Earth, calculate its mass on the Moon, its weight on the Earth, and its weight on the Moon. We know that the mass is constant, so the mass on the Moon equal to the mass on the Earth equals 30 kilogram because it's stable. Number B, the weight of the Earth equal mass by 10 equals 30 by 10 equals 300 Newton. So now we want the weight on the Moon, we make divided 6. 300 divided 6 equal 50 Newton. The last one is the distance from the center of the Earth. The Earth's gravitational force decreases as the body moves away from the center of the Earth. So the nearer object to the center of the Earth have greater weight. Give reason, the weight of the person is a flying balloon as a parachute is smaller than that on the Earth's surface. Why? Because the gravitational force of the Earth decreases as we go away from the center of the Earth. Thanks.